Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin. Thank you for joining me. This is the Real Laptop Lifestyle, and today's video is about how to make residual YouTube profits. It's going to be a hands-on review, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So let's get straight into it. So what are you going to learn in this video? Well, I'm very glad to tell you, you're going to learn the route, how to get up and running on YouTube really quickly. Some people just never really get started, but what I'm about to show you will give you the exact formula to make it happen for you. Exactly how to get visitors to your videos. Now, you could make the best video in the world, but if you don't know the formula behind it to get visitors to it, you're not going to have anything happen. I'm going to show you how you can generate profit. In fact, many different types of profit quite quickly. And some of that would be residual income. Now, residual income means that you set it up once and it goes on earning you a profit every day into the future. Even if you don't work, if you choose to have a few months off, it will still create an income for you. And this really can happen with YouTube. I've seen it happen and I'm so impressed. You're going to learn how to get a very serious advantage over 95, 96, maybe 98% of the opposition. So why YouTube? Well, quite simply, video has been becoming more and more popular for a very long time. People refer it to normal text. Mixed media goes well, and video people seem to love. I was stunned when I learned how much a colleague was earning from his YouTube channel. Not somebody I know personally, but it's somebody who did an updated video update of how much he was earning, and I couldn't get over it. After about 5 or 6 months, he was earning about $8,000 a month on affiliate products from affiliate commissions, and about $4,000 a month from YouTube paying him for view time. And that's just scratching the surface. Now his channel is so much bigger. I don't know what he earns now, but I could just imagine. And I've heard about people earning these massive incomes that just go on paying you and paying you and paying you. Would you like to learn how to earn those? Well, I'm going to show you. I only wish I'd started a few years earlier, really, because the results of video can be absolutely considerable. You can generate profit in so many different ways. You can do launch jacking. Now, launch jacking is basically a term for doing product launches, and there are lots of them for video, believe me. Oh, well, for any product, actually. And it's a way of getting a lot of people along on the back of other people's efforts. Launch jacking is a very good way of getting building your channel and making a profit. You can do vlogging. Now, vlogging is something I plan to do in the near future, which is basically just talking about your life or a specific area of your life onto your smartphone, holding it up and doing your own vlogs. And some of these people get massive amounts of views. All you have to do is have a topic that people are interested in. Not interested in you? You'd be surprised, because I have seen some of the most stupid videos going really viral and getting millions and millions of views. And when you get videos with millions of views on them, you're going to make money. There's no way about it, unless you are totally unaware of it happening. So vlogging's another way. Another way is making evergreen affiliate videos. And this is something I'm doing right now. This is going to be an evergreen affiliate video, which I'm making right now, because I'm making money for years to come. You can also drive visitors to your website. And I've been in a fair bit of that just recently, and building an email list. Now, I do a lot of email. Email is big in my life. And even though my channel is only just starting to take off, it's actually been paying me by the amount of people who've been joining my email list. So there's lots of different ways of making money from YouTube, and you should really get yourself a channel and get into this. Oh, by the way, I should have told you, YouTube will also pay you. When you've got to a certain point, YouTube will monetize your channel, if you want it to, of course, and then they show adverts on your videos. They might only be a penny or so each time they show it. But just imagine if they show that 10,000, 20,000 times a day, you'll be making money while you're sleeping, while you're sitting on the beach. So making money with YouTube is an excellent opportunity, but I know what you're going to say. What most people say is, I'm shy. I don't want to go on camera. Well, guess what? You don't have to. If you don't want to go on camera, if you don't want to use your own voice, there are ways around this. I could show you how to do it, and I'm going to give you a formula for doing it in just a moment. Now, let me tell you how YouTube works. This is a very rough outline. If you start to learn how to make videos properly, and that's not so much the video filming itself, it's how you attract visitors, the SEO, the search engine optimization. And believe me, it's not that difficult. I'm going to show you how you can get all the answers to this in just a moment. Then after a while, and if you post videos consistently, probably 3 or 4 times a week, then it's going to start promoting you, and that's when it can really take off. This one person I told you about whose channel really took off, he was getting subscribers at 1,000 a day at one point. 1,000 subscribers a day. Can you imagine the profit that was making him? Okay, so what makes it work? Well, it's quite simple. A bit of hard work. Are you afraid of hard work? I hope not, because if you are, you're in the wrong place, because you don't get nothing for free. And if anyone told you that the internet is easy work, well, they weren't telling you the truth. So a bit of hard work, a bit of smart work. And what I mean by smart work is embracing this opportunity, getting in there, learning it, trying something new, thinking right outside of your comfort zone, because right now you're actually fixed in this position. You've got to expand your horizon, and if you do that every day, you'll become a bit more familiar with it. And if you didn't want to put your face on camera, probably after a few days of doing it, just by forcing yourself, you'd be looking forward to it. I've never minded going onto camera or speaking to the public. I just can't remember what to say, and that's why I use this mind map. I have to create one to use as a sort of aid memoir, which you see me looking up and down to. There's always a way around everything. In fact, there are always many ways, and that's basically smart thinking. You just need to learn from your mistakes. I've made loads. When I first started, my videos were dreadful. I was very self-conscious in them. Now I'm not. If you don't like me, that's fine. You know, if you do like me, well, we might have a relationship going here quite soon. So you have to grow the experience. Every day you learn something new. Never miss the opportunity to add to your knowledge. And that's how to succeed at anything, but particularly YouTube. My aha moment was just recently when I came across a product which I'm about to introduce you to. It's called YT Supremacy. And well, let's get straight into it. By the way, here's my YouTube channel. As you can see, it's fairly new. I've only got 69 subscribers, but I know it's going to take off, and I'm already making money off these videos. And best of all, I've been building quite a good mailing list from them. So we are going somewhere. YT Supremacy, here it is. Now, I've got the link directly below this video, which you can click through and you can come and listen to this gentleman. He is really the business. And I've highlighted a few things on his site, and then I'm going to show you in the membership area as well. It's 100% newbie friendly, and I can attest to that. Yes, it is. He'll show you how to make thousands a month from affiliate marketing on YouTube. Just using a few of his ideas, I noticed a distinct improvement in the amount of people I'm getting to my site and to my videos. You're going to learn how to rank your videos in YouTube. You won't have to show your face on camera. I've already told you about that, and you can get rewards from this for years to come. Excuse me, I've got hiccups. So he actually gives you quite a bit of proof here. He's showing you today's earnings, $120. Okay, that's not so impressive. 627 though. That's getting really, really interesting. By the way, there are 2 people who make these videos, but this guy seems to really be the business. And here they show you some of the videos they've made. You can go and check them out if you want. And not only are they getting them promoted really highly and ranked really highly in YouTube, they're also getting them ranked really highly in Google. You see, you don't just get videos in YouTube, they also get ranked in Google as well. And they can drive a whole load of extra business for you. And that's what I've been capitalizing on just lately. And it's been building my email list tremendously. By the way, there's a lot of money in email as well. Okay, so he's giving you lots of proof here. And then he comes down to show you some of the money he's made. So the 3rd of May, whether it was this year or last year, I don't know, he made $18.50 and $23.50. Oh, that's not so much, is it? Until you come down to the next slide and he shows you where he made it. And on the 3rd of May, he made $11.70, $11.70. 32.27, 22.67, 71.37, 71.37, 22.76. I could go on. You can come and see this yourself. This is the sort of money he is making. Now, I can tell you from my own experience in affiliate marketing, I've had days where I've made I've had days where I've made in excess of $10,000. In fact, one day I made more than $18,600. So this is very, very possible. And this is a top league player. So you could be the same quite soon. What really caught my attention was less work to rank in YouTube. And that's what I found. And he tells you exactly what you're going to learn, but he does give you a bit more proof. Today's earned $218. Yesterday, $1,300. Look at these incomes. Yesterday, $902. 338, 525, 120, 729. Can you see where this is going? 477, 760, 845. And this is what you're going to learn. How to dominate a niche with your channel. Now, that's one of the things you need to know about YouTube. You've got to get it in tight niches. It's no good having one on sewing your own dresses and putting buttons back on shirt, another one on hunting. They've got to be in tight niches all the same. He's going to show you how to rank videos, how to build your authority, step-by-step video optimization, uploading and commenting, how to show your face or not to show your face. Now, he also shows you about thumbnails. Now, thumbnails are really important because it's the thumbnails that sell people at the end of the day. This is my channel, and I'm starting to get the thumbnails really right. And this one is working very well. This one's working very well at the moment. And I'd like you to come back to these in a few months' time. And I think you'll find they'll have thousands of views on them. So let's go back to his site again. He shows you about thumbnails, and you can get instant access right now. So what's this going to cost? It must be costing you a fortune. Well, here's the price. $9.95. That's what you're going to pay for what I'm about to show you. Here's the membership area. We'll come back to that in just a moment. On top of this, he has 2 upsells. Now, one of those upsells, I think, is $27, and it's case studies. Buy it, because the case studies will motivate you and they'll show you where to go. There's another one on top of that. I think it's $47. You can get a whole business in a box. Everything, because it doesn't cost you anything to advertise on YouTube. You do need to get a couple of tools. My editor, I think, costs $18 a year. That's my video editor, and you can do the rest from there. So $9.95 is all this is going to cost you. Here is the members area, and as you can see, all of these videos, they're really worth watching. Some let's say about 10 or 15 minutes, a good few hours watching in here. How to get your YouTube videos ranking well. This really got me, how to get people into your channel just by commenting on other people's channels. The importance of thumbnails and proper optimization. But there's so much in here, and I don't think I can say enough about it, because I've not come to a membership that actually treats the whole subject so fully. They're very generous with their information. There's no padding in there. It's all very logical, essential stuff. If you use this, you will make money on YouTube. So how was that? If you have any questions or comments, please write them below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you as quick as I can. Also, please give me some feedback. Did you like the video? If so, click the blue button, and also subscribe to my channel. If you do this, click the red button and the little bell. I'll keep you updated with everything that's happening. Thank you very much for your time. I've really enjoyed making this video for you. I look forward to speaking to you again shortly, perhaps in another video. Until then, bye-bye for now.